Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 1 of Science 10 Term 1 Week 10. Evolutionary change and natural selection. Objectives. Explain evolutionary change as a heritable change in populations and species over time. Describe natural selection as the main mechanism that drives evolutionary change. And appreciate the importance of understanding evolution and explaining the diversity of life on Earth. For motivational activity, okay, number 1, it refers to the heritable change in populations and the species over time. Okay, evolutionary change. He proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection. Okay, Charles Darwin. It is the process where organisms with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. Okay, natural selection. It refers to differences in characteristics among individuals of the same species. Variation. It is the passing of traits from parents to offspring. Okay, heredity. It is a characteristics or feature of an organism such as color, size, shape, or body structure. Okay, trait. It refers to a group of organisms of the same species living in the same area. Population. It is a helpful characteristics that allows an organism to survive better in its environment. Okay, adaptation. It means that organisms best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. Survival of the fittest. Kumbaga ang katapat ito, matirang matibay. It refers to the gradual change of living things over many generations. Okay, evolution. Okay, the changing garden insect. Okay, a school garden has many green and brown insects living on plants. During the dry season, many green leaves turned brown. Birds often feed on the insect. After several weeks, learners noticed that more brown insects remained in the garden while fewer green insects were seen. Okay, what difference can be observed among the insects? Okay, some insects are green while others are brown. Which insects were more likely to survive when the leaves turned brown? Okay, yung mga brown. Because they blended with the dry brown leaves and were less visible to birds. So, nag-camouflage. What happened to the green insects? Okay, many green insects were likely eaten because they were easier for birds to see. How does the scenario show natural selection? Okay, the insects with a trait better suited to the environment had a higher chance of surviving and reproducing. Does natural selection happen because organisms want to change? Okay, no, natural selection happens because some existing traits help organisms survive better in a given environment. Evolutionary change refers to the changes in the inherited traits of populations and species over time. It does not usually happen within one organism during its lifetime. Instead, it happens across many generations when certain traits become more common in a population. Okay, Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection. According to this theory, organisms have differences or variations. Some variations are helpful in particular environment. Organisms with helpful traits are more likely to survive, reproduce and pass those traits to their offsprings. Over time, these traits may become more common in the population. Natural selection acts on existing variation in a population rather than creating new traits because organisms need them. Natural selection does not mean that the biggest or strongest organism always survive. It should be fitness. Kaya nga ang word is survival of the fittest. So, fitness in biology means having traits that allow an organism to survive and reproduce successfully in its environment. For example, a small insect that blends with its surrounding may be more fit than a larger insect that is easily seen by predators. In the school garden scenario, brown insects had better camouflage. Pag sinabing camouflage, ginagaya nyo yung kulay ng surroundings or ng environment. When the leaves turned brown because of this, they were less likely to be eaten by birds. If they reproduced, the brown color trait could become more common in the next generations. Evolutionary change happens in population over many generations. Natural selection is a major mechanism of evolution. Organisms show variation in traits. Helpful traits increase the chance of survival and reproduction. Survival of the fittest means survival of organisms best adapted to their environment, not always the strongest or the biggest. For conclusion, natural selection explains how living things adjust to their environment through inherited traits. When the environment changes, organisms with traits that help them survive are more likely to reproduce. Over time, these traits may become common in the population, leading to evolutionary change. Okay, let us answer these assessment questions. What is evolutionary change? Okay, the answer. Change in inherited traits of populations. Change in inherited traits of populations over time. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Okay, that is Charles Darwin. Natural selection favors organisms that blank, okay, are best suited to their environment. Which is an example of variation. Okay, different beak shapes in birds. What happens to helpful traits over many generations? Okay, they may become more common. What does fitness mean in natural selection? Okay, the ability to survive and reproduce. Which is needed for natural selection to occur? Okay, variation among individuals. Why did brown insects survive better in the scenario? Okay, they blended with the dry leaves. Natural selection acts on existing traits in a population. Which statement is correct? Okay, natural selection can lead to changes in populations over time.